Learn English to Gujarati directions. Links, right, straight ahead and
આગળ.
welcome to the direction circus. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati direction words without getting lost, unless the goat steals the map again. Listen, repeat, and have fun. Today your mission is simple. Survive a very strange town using Gujarati. First, you spot glowing website
links,
on a giant screen in the town square. Then a dancing policeman points,
જમણું,
while your GPS keeps shouting,
સીધું આગળ,
even when you are staring at a samosa stand. A kite flies.
ઉપર,
Your dropped coin rolls.
નીચે,
Your friend hides.
અંદર,
The tea shop, the noisy parrot waits.
બહાર,
Your backpack is.
પાછળ,
The chair and the snack counter is.
આગળ.
Congratulations, you are already learning. Meet the words. Let's meet your new vocabulary like they are characters in a comedy show. Repeat them out loud after each pause. Links.
links,
Yes, it sounds almost like English. Very friendly, very clickable. Right.
જમણું,
Point to the right and say it like you know where you are going. Straight ahead.
સીધું આગળ.
This is what people say before you confidently walk past the correct shop. Above.
ઉપર,
Look at the ceiling dramatically. Down.
નીચે,
Point to the floor like you dropped your dignity there. Inside.
અંદર,
Warm, cozy, snack-friendly. Outside.
બહાર,
Fresh air, traffic, and possibly one suspicious pigeon. Behind.
પાછળ,
Thumb over the shoulder. Instant drama. Front.
આગળ,
Step forward like the hero of a very low-budget movie. A very confusing walk. Now you will follow a mini-story. Don't worry, the town is weird, but the vocabulary is useful. You arrive in town and see a huge sign full of
links,
one link says tea, one says museum, and one probably says do not press, so of course everyone presses it. A shopkeeper sees your confusion and says, go.
જમણું,
Then.
સીધું આગળ,
Single quote. You look.
ઉપર,
And notice a giant banana sign. You look.
નીચે,
And nearly step on a sleeping dog who is clearly not helping. You run.
અંદર,
A cafe, but your friend is waiting.
બહાર,
The whole time. Typical. Your bag is.
પાછળ,
The door and the cashier is standing.
આગળ,
TL Latin. The counter smiling like this happens every day. Honestly, maybe it does. Quick dialogues. Let's practice with short spoken lines. Imagine the scene and repeat the Gujarati words. A. Where are the links? B.
અહીં links છે.
A. Which way now? B.
જમણું,
A. Where is the station? B.
સીધું આગળ,
A. Where is the lamp? B.
ઉપર,
A. Where did my coin go? B.
નીચે,
A. Is Ravi outside? B. No, he is.
અંદર,
A. Please wait where? B.
બહાર,
A. Where is my bag? B.
પાછળ,
The chair. A. Where should I stand? B.
આગળ.
Memory tricks that actually help. Here are fast memory hooks, because your brain likes tiny shortcuts and a little nonsense. 4.
links,
Imagine blue glowing internet bridges. Easy, clicky, fancy. 4.
જમણું,
Point your right hand and pretend you are directing traffic with great authority. 4.
સીધું આગળ,
Picture a GPS that refuses all turns and has trust issues. 4.
ઉપર,
Think upper so your eyes go up. 4.
નીચે,
Think niche, below your knees. 4.
अंदर,
Imagine stepping into a warm room with chai. 4.
बाहर,
Imagine stepping out for air and sunshine. 4.
पाछड़,
Tap your back and think behind. 4.
आगर,
Here, go, and step forward. Little quiz time. Okay, your turn. Answer before I do. No pressure. Tiny pressure. Friendly pressure. What is Gujarati for right?
जमणू,
What is Gujarati for straight ahead?
सीधू आगर,
What is Gujarati for above?
ऊपर,
What is Gujarati for down?
नीचे,
What is Gujarati for inside?
अंदर,
What is Gujarati for outside?
बाहर,
What is Gujarati for behind?
पाछड़,
What is Gujarati for front?
आगर,
And what is Gujarati for links?
links,
Your final challenge. Let's finish strong. Try to picture the whole scene and follow the directions in your head. You stand.
बाहर,
A building. A sign.
ऊपर,
The door shows 3 glowing.
links,
You go.
अंदर,
Your friend says the ticket desk is.
आगर,
Then the guard tells you to turn.
जमणू,
And walk.
सीधू आगर,
You drop your phone.
नीचे,
Pick it up and realize your backpack is.
पाछड़,
You. If you understood that, you are doing great. If not, listen again and blame the imaginary goat. That is what the imaginary goat is for. Nice work. You did it. You made it through links, directions, locations, and at least one mentally exhausting goat. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these Gujarati words out loud.
links, जमणू, सीधू आगर, ऊपर, नीचे, अंदर, बाहर, पाछड़,
And
आगर.
come back, repeat, and practice a little every day. You are making real progress.